yeah, I'm making a quick video, and if the camera starts shaking, it's because our webcam, if I let it set up, it'll be like this. I don't want that, because that looks like a floating head. So, oh my god. So yeah, I have to balance it with two hands, and I'm just making a quick video to say that my birthday is coming up. I don't know, I just made that up. I mean, I didn't make up that my birthday is coming up, but I just made up, that's what I'm making a quick video for. Really, I'm just bored. But yeah, my birthday is coming up. It's on April the 8th, and I need some ideas on what to do for my birthday, because I have no idea. And school's almost over. After April, there's 2 more months and a few days left, and we're out of there. I'm out. I'm graduated. It's so weird. I'm 17, gonna be 18, out of high school. I'm learning to drive now. I made tonight I had a practice test for my permit tonight at driver's ed, and I made a 81, but I missed because I missed 31, and yeah, I hope I pass the real test tomorrow. Then I can start doing drive times, and then I get out on April 14th. I say that like I'm in jail or something. It's gonna be over with April 14th, and yeah. And then I need to go shopping for a prom dress, like, for real. I don't know, that's just random, off the whole subject of driving school, but, I mean, look at my hair. I need to get it, like, cut, and I want something done to it, but I have no idea what. And I need to find a dress. April 30th is prom. And, yeah, I'm hungry right now, and I'm gonna go find some food after this. And, if you have any ideas on what I should do for my birthday, just let me know in the comment box, please. And, oh, wait. I'm sorry, I'm thirsty. I love Capri Sun. But yeah, let me know what's up, what to do. That's about it. I just bored. So, yeah, I'm gonna go now. Bye!